Hi everyone, it's Kathy Ryan in Bundaberg, Queensland here. You see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I have just put some, I guess you would call it a dark plum colour. I made it myself. It's almost finished up now, but it was, or it still is, one of my favourite colours that I've made to date, and I don't know that I can do another one. So what I want to do is a black and white kiss pour over the top of this, and just see how we go here. Mix it up a little bit. I can sort of see what it's not doing. Might be all of it, or near enough. And I have a smidgen of gold, so I would like to maybe do that and that. How pretty. And now I'm just going to tilt it, if I can pick it up. Yep, I got it. Back this way somewhat. Take it over. Right. And then over the main part here. Down you go. Taking it over that corner, and then the lucky last corner over here. Got it. And I'm quite disappointed. I thought that would have been, go back on there. I thought I would have had a much nicer pattern than that, so I'm just going to convince it otherwise. And perhaps I have some black in here. Which I can play with. And I have some white, not that I think I need any more white on there, but certainly want some more black over here. Just see what we can make of this. I actually think putting that gold on might have been a bit of a mistake. But we'll soon find out. I've got the prettiest black and white patterns on my fingers. The very prettiest. Look at that. I'm not happy with the gold. Back this way. Got cells and everything on my hands. Go on, gold. I don't mind the little stripy bits of gold. Those rather lumpy bits were not impressive. Okay. So, that is an interesting pattern, and I am going to wash my hands. I shall be back in a second. I think what I might do is just switch you off for a minute and make up some more black and white and do a bit of a star or something in the centre of that, because it's really quite pretty, but it just needs something to lift it. So I shall not be long. Okay, here I am, I'm back again, and I mixed up some black, I mixed up some white, and there's a smidgen of gold left, and I still have some gold. Look, I washed my hands really well. Smidgens of gold coming through, so I am going to do a black and white starburst. And use the last of this gold. Because I can. Get rid of it. And gold now goes onto the shopping list. Here we go. And we'll see. Oh yes, it's looking good. And a bit more black. And a bit more white. And as I said, the gold's on the shopping list. Let's not worry about gold. Oh, I'm in love here. Alright. It's about the middle, I think. And I might use a stick. Just having a little play here, and I would prefer not to have put so much in the centre there, but hey, we live and learn. Oh, I like that. So So I'm just going to torch that now and see what we have. And call that one quits, because if I fiddle too many more times with it, you know I'm going to mess it up. I know it. Okay, I did get some cells, and whoa, that is totally different. I think I'll keep this one. I like this one. It'll go on my wall, I think. All the edges are done away, bits and pieces hanging over. I like that. Alright, I'll bring you down to have a look, and the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find under Show More below this video, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and have a look at us and join with us over there. And look at that. I like it. That's going on my wall. All I've got to do is now, very quickly, very shortly, is build some more walls. I've got rather a lot of paintings that I happen to like and decided to keep. I guess everybody does that. Yeah, that's got lovely lines and cells. Just a touch of gold here and there. I like that idea. And that centerpiece there. It's like a black and white anemone coming out. Yes, I really like this one. Of course, if you'd like to purchase any of my paintings or cards that I make, there's a link to my personal email address down below under Show More, and you're more than welcome to get in touch with me. I have very reasonable and more than competitive prices, and yeah, if there is anything you'd like to purchase, please just email me. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. If you want emails to let you know when I put up another video, then all you have to do is click the little bell beside the word subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed this one as much as I have, and please give it the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. So, bye for now.